many times someone abandons their cart. Throughout the week, they can make multiple purchases, but also abandon cart multiple times. That means they do eventually convert, but how many times do they also abandon? So this is somewhat of like a how do you set up a metric question. So the first thing I would think about is like, why does it matter? If someone ultimately converts, how many sessions they have to that conversion? I would think about like, what is my goal here? Like, why would I want to reduce that or improve that? How does that ultimately help me? Is my goal just to get them to convert, or is there a reason why I want them to convert in as few sessions as possible? But you can create a metric. I might create a funnel with a exit event on it, and that might be a way that I think about creating that abandoned cart. So someone who has checkout as a first step on that funnel and then an exit as that second event. And then how many times they abandon is slightly different. And so you might be able to build that. So that's just like a conversion rate. You might be able to create a metric as well. This is really like beyond experimentation. It's really like now about how you create metrics. And like I said, there's a number of ways we can do that. So you might want to look at retention. Do they come back? You might want to create a formula. There are ways that you can add events like checkout and add a formula here. And so it's just looking at our metric builder and the options that you have.